wow, that's big.
It's a box.
I know, I don't even remember what it's in there.
The ribbon dog.
Oh, it must be one of Mommy's internet toys. Okay, turn it over.
Internet toys.
Let me get the tape off. Let me take that tape off. Hold on. Be very gentle with it. Wow, now wind it up. We put the people in there. It's a Ferris wheel. Now wind it up. Now watch. We put the people in there. It's like at the circus. Isn't that cool? Really, really old toy. Okay, put it up there. Yeah, it's like at the fair.
Not working there.
Here,
I think somebody needs to help.
put it up there.
Did you get this on the internet too?
Yep. Okay, put it up there. Box.
I know
Just
that.
throwing the box. Get it open. Careful so you don't spill
You might have to help her.
Here, I'll hold this and help her. Here, let Daddy help you.
Lincoln Logs! You got Lincoln Logs!
Well, what do you know?
Yeah!
Violet got Lincoln Logs too. You guys can mix them all together and stuff.
Oh.
That's awesome. All right.
One more.
Whose is that for? Oh, that's Dean's. Is that from Violet? Yep, open it. Just wait a second, Vi. Just watch Dean open it. What'd you sit on?
I just sit on my tractor.
Oh.
It hurt my butt. I think you'll be happy about this one.
That's from Vi.
So you got this for him? Whoa.
Turn it over. Oh, Nerf dart tag. Ooh, you guys
wow.
can chase each other around. You got vests you wear and it sticks to your vest and you hit each other. I have extra bullets somewhere. Alright, don't open that yet.
Wow.
Okay, let's do one thing.
What?
Stop the camera. Let's pick up the paper.
What about